Hello, my name is Abir and I'm from Skill Curve, and today we will talk about how we can add an animation in Power BI. We will need an additional visual known as the play axis which can help in doing this, but we need to import from more visuals. Before going further, you need to know that we must log in to our Power BI desktop, and for that you need to register, of course. And you must use your corporate email or an institutional email. This will not work with your personal email. So now let's click on more visuals from the home tab and then type in play axis and then click on add. Simply click on OK for import successful. You can see the yellow play icon here. We can pin it by right clicking so that we can see this icon with the other visuals as well. So here I'm going to visualize this top sale graph we did in the last lab. So let's say that I want to see the top sales with each category as an animation. So to do that, I will click on the play axis icon and then simply grab in the category from the orders table. Here we can rename the field as category and then now just play it with the play button. We can see the sales are changing according to the category. You can do this with the other fields as you like and see your animations accordingly. This is just a feature of Power BI that you can use just to make your audience attracted to your graph. Thank you so much for watching.